Okay, in your math notebook, you are going to make some different tables. Today we're going to do 4s and 5s. Tomorrow you're going to do 6s and 7s. So if you'd like to hold off on these for tomorrow, you can do that, or you can do all 4 at once. So we're going to do each table with 2 columns. Each of them are going to have a title with how many plates you're going to be using. So the first one is 4 plates, then 5 plates, then 6 plates, then 7 plates. In the left column, you're going to write for the title how many counters in each plate, and the right column you're going to say how many counters altogether. So for each number of rows, you're going to do, okay, if I have 4 plates, then I am going to have 1 extra row. So for 4 plates, I'm going to have 5 rows. For 5 plates, I'm going to have 6 rows. For 6 plates, I'm going to have 7 rows. And for 7 plates, I'm going to have 8 empty rows. Okay, so that's how we get started. Then you're going to choose some kind of container. I use little plates, but if you have little cups or something that's a little easier, that's fine too. Or maybe little tops of something. And then for the counters, I used peanuts, but you can use whatever kind of counters you have, just something small that you have, like dried beans, for example, or a little toy. Okay, so let's use the 5s as an example. So I'm going to zoom over here. I need 5 plates, so I've got my 5 plates set up, and I'm always going to start with the same number of counters in each plate. So if I've got 5 plates, then I'm going to start with 5 counters in each plate. So I've got 5 and 5 is 10 here. Then I've got another 10 there, which gives us to 20, and then another 5, which is 25. So counters all together, I'll put 25. Okay. Then I'm going to take away one. Each time I'm going to take away a counter. So each plate I'm going to take away that middle counter. And now, if I look at my plates, now I have 4 in all of them. So I'm going to do, 4 and 4 is 8, another 8 gets me to 16, and then another 4 gets me to 20. So I'm going to say, okay, if I have 4 counters in each plate now, then my total will be 20, okay? And you're going to go down all the way till you get to 0, okay? So for all of that. So for example, if we're starting with 4s, I'm going to take away one of the plates because we're not going to use that, and we're going to start with the same number of counters as plates. So if I start with 4 plates, then I'm going to have 4 counters to begin with. So how many counters in each plate for the 4s? I'm going to start with 4. Now I count again. So 4 and 4 is 8 plus another 8 gets me to 16. Okay, then again I'm going to take away another one from each. Another counter from each one. Now I have 3 and 3 is 6. Another 3 and 3 is, what's the answer? 12. Okay, so I've got 3 counters in each. 12 total. Okay, and then you're going to go again just all the way down like that, all the way to 0 counters in each plate, and see what your answer is, okay? So today you're doing 4s and 5s. Tomorrow you will be doing 6s and 7s.